Hello, everyone. This is Anita Iyer from Ekans Trust. And on the screen, you see Atul Yaduvanshi, who's an interpreter in Indian Sign Language. We are here with a tiny, brief presentation in Indian Sign Language about Corona. This is especially for those who understand only sign language and may be hearing and or speech impaired. So when they approach you, you will be able to use this presentation to communicate with them. A few words and terms in Indian Sign Language have also been shared so that you can refer to them while communicating. We request that you refer to them while you are communicating because it is not very easy to learn how to sign, you know, over 3 or 4 slides and by viewing the video once or twice. We request that you please refer to the video while you're communicating. Some regional variations in signs are to be expected. Also, you can relax and sign as if you were speaking to somebody who doesn't understand your language. For example, if there is somebody who speaks only Japanese and you don't speak Japanese, what signs would you use to communicate? You can try something similar with somebody who is hearing or speech impaired. It is not a very difficult language if you really try. You can also write simple notes in the local language or the language that the person speaks, or try English. We've also provided a picture chart in the last slide so you can point and show. You can make your own picture chart if you need, if you would prefer to. We request that you try and contact a responsible family member of the person who is hearing or speech impaired, just as a backup, so somebody understands exactly what you are trying to communicate and there is no misunderstanding or misinterpretation. If you are not a doctor, please guide the person to one. If you need any further assistance with interpretation for a patient in Indian Sign Language, we can try and help you via a video call, depending on the availability of the interpreter, of course. You can call the number given in red or write to info@ekans.org. These are just a few important things about Corona that we are trying to share in sign language. So, Atul, how do you sign COVID? That is a sign for COVID. Virus, how it spreads. The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus, which means it impacts the breathing, the respiratory system. And it spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it could be droplets of saliva from the mouth or discharge from the nose. What is called thuk in Hindi, from the saliva or discharge from the nose. So to protect yourself, clean your hands frequently with sanitizer or wash with soap and water. Wear a mask to cover your nose and mouth when you leave home. Wipe surfaces that you use regularly that might have been touched by others with sanitizer. Stay home. Don't go out unless unavoidable. Contact a doctor if you think you have any symptoms. Now, COVID affects different people differently. Do not panic. Contact a doctor. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness. Serious symptoms are difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, हांफना. chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement, less common symptoms, aches and pains यानी बदन दर्द, sore throat, diarrhea or loose motions, conjunctivitis or red eye, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. Now, these are a few words that Atul will sign for us. So that if you want to use any of these words, you can just show the person the video and probably it will help you in communicating. The first word again is COVID. Second is vaccine. Your name. They will ask you for your name. So your name. So Atul, can you show us two different signs for the word name? Name or name. Okay. Sneeze, cough, fever, pain, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, tiredness, oxygen. So when they have to give you oxygen, the mask also. Ventilator, in which they will put a tube through your mouth. Hospital. How much or how many? If you want to ask how many days will I be in hospital? How many days in hospital again? Okay. Are you okay? Don't panic. Take care. Again, take care. You show C twice, right? Okay. Yes and no. Okay. Time. Family. Phone call. So if you want to say call your family, can you show family again slowly, please, Atul? Okay. Home. Phone number. Again, phone number. Slowly. Okay. Address. Address. Stretcher. Doctor. Nurse. Insurance. Okay. LIC sign. Okay. Insurance. Bank. Money. Worry. Hospital charges. Day. Night. Night. Evening. Morning. Sorry, I got it the other way around. Morning first. Morning. Morning. Evening. Stay. Stay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. So these are the 40 signs that we have tried to share with you, and we hope that these will help. What you see coming up here, of course, is self explanatory, just a slide with a whole lot of pictures which have to do with COVID. And we hope that you can just point and explain um, if a person is unable to understand the language that you are speaking, just to make things simpler. You could make your own set of pictures, I guess, um, to share with people who might be speech or hearing impaired or not speak the language that you do. Thank you so much, Atul, for your help. And I hope that this presentation comes in handy and that it is useful um, for everybody. Thank you so much.